Welcome to the Sticky Art channel. In this video I'm going to show how to make a Waluigi paper puppet. This video project is a request by Waluigi WAH. It's been over a month, so let's get started. I've made a downloadable template in the video description below. If you do not want to draw or color, you can download and print that and skip to step 3, cutting them out at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So, fun fact, Waluigi was created first for the video game Mario Tennis on the N64. He was supposed to be a rival for Luigi and a partner for Wario. I've always been a big fan of the Mario Brothers games as well as Wario games, and the Mario Kart and tennis games that Waluigi's been in, as well as the Mario parties. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite game is that you played with Waluigi in it. Next, we're going to put some color on Waluigi. I'm using Prismacolor Premier Prismacolor pencils. This is the first time I'm using my 72 color pencil set. Prismacolors are kind of nice because they blend pretty easily, as well as if you're using textured paper, they can get a nice texture as well. I'm going to be using both techniques with the Waluigi. It's also kind of like a waxy pencil, so you can build layers. I'll be doing a review of the set that I got on my channel soon. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications for when I release my videos. Once you're done cleaning up the template, it is time to cut him out. Once you have all the pieces cut out, it's time for the final assembly. For assembly, I'm going to poke holes in the arms and legs, as well as the neck. And then I'm using the Art Paper Craft Bendy Pipe Cleaner to attach all the body parts, as well as some Scotch tape to stick it on. There you have it. That's how you make a Waluigi paper puppet.
Oh yeah, Waluigi!
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If so, hit the like button and comment below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, hit subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for when I release my newest videos. Also, in the near future, I'm going to be doing a shout out video. So if you'd like a shout out, if you're a small YouTube or creator, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, peace.